Pierre Broutin. I'm the Managing Director for Bentley, Western Europe. And so I've been with Bentley for over 25 years now, and taking care of all European market development, research, and so that's, in a nutshell, that's what I'm doing. So.
And your company?
Company, so it's Bentley Instruments. When we are an American-based company. We have been set up in 1983, so it's already a long history. We are very much specialized in the dairy testing, dairy industry exclusively, and we are present in over 60 countries, exporting in over 100 countries. So very much dedicated to the industry, to the central laboratories for milk testing and dairy product testing. So that's our main focus, and we are very well established internationally and especially in Europe now. So this week we will present two of our instruments for the dairy industry. That's the Back-to-Count IBCM. That's the fastest bacteria counter currently on the market for total bacteria somatic cells. And we will present also the dairy spec. It's an infrared analyzer for milk and dairy product chemical composition. So they are fast analyzer, they are IDF compliant, ISO compliant, and they are used widely by the dairy plants to check their incoming milk or the process of their dairy product production. So that's the main two products we will present this week. We have many more, but people, the attendees can come and visit us here to know more about that. So those two systems are mostly used to check incoming milk at the dairy plant. So when the trucks arrive, before unloading the milk, they can check the quality. So the most important is the total bacteria. So with our instrument, with the Back-to-Count IBCM, in few minutes, they will get total bacteria somatic cells count in few minutes. So before they can unload the trucks, they will know the quality of the milk inside the truck. So it's very important because based on total bacteria count or somatic cells count, they can decide what they want to do with the milk. They can refuse it. They can test the different compartments of the truck to see if one is bad out of the 3 or 4 compartments. And based on that, they can make a decision, a knowledgeable decision on what to do with it, and really give the maximum value to the milk, but also make sure there is no hygienic safety issue with the product. So that's for the total bacteria counter. For the infrared analyzer, it's more also for incoming milk testing for all chemical components. So we can test up to 64 components simultaneously, from fat, protein, lactose, casein, urea, all fatty acids. So it's very extensive measurement we can do. And after it can be used also throughout the process. So to check production process, to make sure all the mixing, all the product, byproduct, but also end product are consistent with the product requirement. Very fast, very precise, very robust, and very versatile system. So we have a very good solution for the dairy plants, for incoming milk testing, for chemical, total bacteria, somatic cells, and also antibiotic testing. We have rapid antibiotic test, something when the trucks arrive, the dairies can check the quality of their milk, check the amount of antibiotic residues, and if it's over a certain limit, the truck will be stopped. They won't be allowed to unload the milk. So basically, with all the 3 solutions, we can make sure the only good milk will get inside the dairy plants. So we can secure that process. And so total bacteria, somatic cells, the antibiotic with the IDEX SNAP test, and those are the most versatile and most powerful methods on the market at this time. This week is quite special because we have been away for almost 2 years because of a certain situation. So really looking forward to meet colleagues, friends, because as I said, I've been with IDF now for over 25 years. So I know a lot of people here, and are mostly colleagues but friends. So it's a really good opportunity. And over those 2 years, there have been also a lot of new developments. So it's ready to catch up also on new technologies, new standards being developed, and really catch up on different angles. But for the last 25 years, I never missed one analytical week. So it's very happy to come back here this year. It's very important, it's paramount, because we, especially in our business, we are an international company, and when we do tests in Europe, in USA, in Australia, New Zealand, or any country, we want to make sure we have an harmonized solution, harmonized methods, standardized methods. Otherwise, if you go over the border and you have different results for your product, it doesn't make sense. So we have to make sure we have an harmonized solution, so standards for the reference method. That's the work of IDF, ISO. That's also our work as a manufacturer. We have to make sure all our systems are fully standardized, and so there is. It's very important for us. Very important to work with IDF, ISO, but also for our customer, because when they use our method, they know that they are certified. They know that they are equivalent to the reference method. And they have also our customer need to know that for their own customer, the end customer, the people drinking milk and so on. So it's really important for that, for harmonization, worldwide results equivalence. So results are the same. Any country you go, you send your samples, you should get same results within precision limits. So that's really the core, and for us as a manufacturer, it's extremely important. So.
Perfect. Thank you.